In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design your newsletter in Canva using email newsletter templates and prepare it for sending through Mailchimp. Whether you're creating a newsletter for your business, your club, or just want to keep friends and family updated, this step-by-step guide will simplify the process and ensure that your emails are both beautiful and effective. Let's start by diving into Canva. Canva is a fantastic tool for designing newsletters because it offers a wide range of templates specifically tailored for email. Begin by searching for email newsletter templates within Canva. You'll find a plethora of designs to suit any theme or message you want to convey. Choose one that resonates with your brand or the story you want to tell. Once you've selected a template, customize it using your own colors, images, and text to truly make it your own. Remember, the key here is to maintain consistency with your branding and to use eye-catching visuals that will engage your readers. After you've completed the design, it's time to download your creation. Click on the download button at the top right corner of Canva's interface. You'll be given the option to select your file type. For newsletters, it's best to choose either PNG or JPEG. These formats will give you a high-quality image that looks great in emails, ensuring your design captivates your audience. Make sure to save the file somewhere easily accessible as you'll need it in the next steps. Next, let's move over to Mailchimp. Mailchimp is widely used for creating and managing email campaigns, and it's incredibly straightforward once you get the hang of it. Log into your Mailchimp account or create an account if you haven't already. Head over to create a new campaign and start by setting up a regular email campaign. This will guide you to the email builder where the magic happens. Once you're in the email editor, you'll notice there's a variety of blocks you can drag into your layout. Drag an image block into your email template. This is crucial because it will serve as the canvas for your Canva creation. Click on the image block to upload your newly downloaded design. Watch as it beautifully integrates into your email layout, setting the stage for your newsletter's content. If your newsletter requires additional information, now is the time to add text blocks. Simply drag and drop these wherever needed within your email. This is great for adding context, special announcements, or personal notes to your recipients, enhancing the overall experience. Lastly, before hitting that send button, it's important to preview and test your email. Mailchimp allows you to view how your email will look in a variety of inboxes, ensuring everything is displaying as it should. Send a test email to yourself, which is a great way to catch any last-minute glitches or typos. Once you're satisfied with everything, go ahead and send out your beautifully crafted newsletter to your audience. And there you have it. Creating an attractive and professional newsletter has never been easier.